Good morning, America. It's like 7 in the morning. I'm outside in my beautiful backyard. And look who I see. Mother Moon. She is resilient. She still shows herself upon daybreak. Just shows the strength of the universe and the strength that we all have within. May today bring goodness and hope and faith and love. As the birds wake up and sing, may they sing away any confusion, any anxiety, worry. May we breathe in good health, healthy mind, healthy body, healthy spirit. Hi, Sheba. Oh, she's about to do number one. Okay, guys, be well today.